In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location-based reminders in Todoist. Location-based reminders are a powerful way to make sure you remember tasks at the exact place where you need to do them. Instead of relying only on time-based reminders, you can tell Todoist to alert you when you arrive at or leave a certain location, like your office, the gym, or a grocery store. First, open the Todoist app on your device and navigate to the task you want to be reminded about. This could be anything, like buy groceries, drop off a package, or pick up documents. Once you see the task in your list, tap on it to open the task details. This is where you can adjust the task settings, such as due dates, priority, and of course, reminders. Inside the task details, look for the reminder or location option. Depending on your device and app version, it might appear as a small location pin icon or as a location field. Tap on the location option. At this stage, Todoist will either show you a map interface or a search bar that lets you type in an address or place name. Before you can fully use location-based reminders, Todoist may ask you to upgrade your subscription. Location reminders are typically a premium feature, which means they're available only on paid plans. If you see a prompt asking you to upgrade, take a moment to review the subscription options. Upgrading will unlock location-based reminders and possibly other advanced features, like additional reminders, labels, filters, and productivity reports. If you decide to upgrade, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This usually involves confirming your plan, your billing period, and your payment method through the App Store or Todoist's own payment system. Once the upgrade is complete, return to your task and tap the location option again. Now you'll be able to set your location-based reminder. Search for the place you need, select it from the list or map, and choose whether you want to be reminded when you arrive at that location, when you leave it, or in some cases, when you're nearby. Save your changes and your task is now linked to that location. From now on, as long as you've allowed location access on your device and have a stable connection, Todoist will send you a reminder when you're in the right place, at the right time, to get that task done.